2, 1, go. Go at your own pace, just really control it. Go at your own pace, really control it. When your knees come in, I want you to contract, okay? Keep going, good job. Alright, I'm coming back to bother you. Let's help these people at home. Keep pushing. You're doing an excellent job. Keep breathing, keep going. Stay focused, okay? Chest is up, shoulders down, shoulders back. Keep pushing, stay focused. Good job, guys. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Check it out. Doing this exercise again. Watch me. You want to do the same thing. You want to bring the hands up, knees in, boom. Tap down. In. Tap down. You can go slow or fast as long as you control it. See, I'm going fast. I'm really working. My upper body moves just a little bit. You don't want to rock too much like this. You don't want to do that. Really control. Okay? Make sure you focus on the chest. Ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Go. In and out. Ooh. Push through. Focus strong. Come on. Go. Power in. Power in. Maybe lift up so you see my abs working. Boom. Sweat. Pushing through. You got it. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. Take that break if you need it. Then come right back. Boom. Power. Power. Power abs right here, guys. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Come on, Chris. Come on. I feel it in your face. Come on. 5, 4. You got it. Come on. 3. Stay strong as many as you can. 2 and 1. Release. Good job, brother. Don't leave me hanging. Alright, here we go. Now, next exercise. Next exercise we do here. We're doing over the mountain, okay? You want to start. You want to kind of start center. Then what you want to do is you want to bring your knees to the side right here. You want to bring your knees in to work the oblique. Come over to the other side. Extend out. In, over to the other side, and come out. You really want to feel it in your obliques. Okay, so you really want to stay strong. Really take the break when you need to. Don't strain your back. Are we ready? 30 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Go. In, over, out, tap. In, over, out, tap. In, over, out, tap. Good. In, over, out, tap. Focus. In, over, out. Come on. Keep going, guys. Everybody stay strong. You at home, stay strong. Come on, there you go. Chest out, in, over, out, tap. Let me ask Anthony to take a break. I see his form starting to falter. Breathe, breathe, come right back in. Don't take too much of a break. There you go, over the mountain, there you go. Stay strong, keep the core tight, focus. I'm here for you. Come on, 3, 2, 1. Alright, now, here we go. We got another exercise, alright? Core adduction. Here we go, core adduction here. Your knees are open, heels are open. Hands on the floor. What you want to do is bring your knees together, boom, and tap back out. Knees together and heels together, boom, and tap back out, okay? Here we go, 30 seconds! 3, 2, 1, go! Boom, you can go as fast as you want, just make sure you have the control. Contract the core in here, keep pushing through. Exhale when the knees come in. There you go. Stay focused, stay focused, stay focused, stay focused, stay focused. As my knee comes in, boom, I contract. Boom, I contract. Remember, take the break if you need. Breathe, come back in. Come on, guys. 8 seconds left. You can do it. Push, 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 push. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo. We're going to go to the next one. It's going to get hard. Here we go. Same thing. Open up. This time, no hands on the floor. You want to have your hands to the floor when you come in and bring it up when you come out. All right? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's go to Chris. Go in and out. Come on. Go in and out. Form is good. In. Knees are coming together. Arms are to the floor. In. Squeeze. Come on. Come on. Come on. Go. Squeeze. How you feeling, Chris? Tell me I'm gonna work hard. Come on. Push, push, push. You got it. Here you go. Squeeze. Hands are right here. Contracting. Try to get those knees together every time. Great job. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Alright, here we go. Next exercise. We're gonna keep moving through this. Keep moving through. Bicycle runs on the floor. Hands in the same position. Alternating knees. Boom. Just like this, okay? Hands on the floor, ready? 3, 2, 1, go, come on, push, push. Use the core, use the core, use the core. Come on, go, go, go. You know the exercise. Come on, dig through, stay strong, get the abs tight. Come on, focus, 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 focus. Go, it's all about here. Come on, Tanya, push, push, Tanya, go. Get that chin up. Come on, come on, come on. Dig, dig, dig. You got it. Come on, go, 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 go. Come on, come on, push. You got 5 seconds left. Can you do it? Can you do it? I can't hear you. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest it out. All right, shake it out, shake it out, shake it out, shake it out. You're doing good, you're doing good. We're going to the next one. We ready? Here we go. Same thing. You want to get those elbows into the side. Boom. Just like this. Now, I'll tell you right now, I'm going to need to take some breaks on this one. All right, so you got to come with me. Here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Boom. Now you really want to control it. Really want to control it. If it's still too hard, you can bring your hands back down, but I want you to pull it in. Boom. Come on, go. Go. Work the abs. Push. Breathe. Breathe. Come on. See how start to wobble. Come in. Find a position. Boom. Come back together. Come on, you guys got it. You're doing good. You're doing good, guys. Come on, come on. 8 seconds left. Come on, push. 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 5. Come on, Anthony. Come on. 4, 3. Stay strong. 2, and 1. All right, good job. Good job, brother. Stay strong. Good job. All right, guess what, guys? We got to repeat everything again. 15 seconds. Now you know the exercise. You've done this enough. It's time to go. Here we go. Power abs. Hands down. 15 seconds. Here we go. 3.